A convicted felon managed to rent a gun at a local shooting range, and then he shot and killed himself. 24-hour News 8's Marley Ginter talked with the man's family. She joins us live. Marley.
Well, Sue, tonight the man's father says a loophole in gun laws is what allowed his son to commit suicide.
Is that a reflection?
Roman Sobie says he watched his son Mark suffer through depression year after year. Mark's 10-year-old son Alex died from Hunter syndrome more than a decade ago. Roman says he was never the same.
He took it so hard. He did everything because he knew little Alex was going to die.
In 2009, Mark robbed a bank. He did it with a toy gun and turned himself in. Roman says Mark hit several low points. He had even talked to him about committing suicide.
He looked at me real serious and he said, "But they say we would never be given more than we can stand, but I've passed that, Dad." And he was crying so hard. He said, "You don't understand. I'm broke and they can't fix me."
The bank robbery in 2009 landed Mark as a convicted felon, prohibited from owning a gun. About a week ago, Mark went to the Silver Bullet shooting range in Wyoming. Police say he lied about being a convicted felon when he rented a gun, and by law, shooting ranges don't have to run background checks unless they're selling a gun. Mark went out to the shooting range and killed himself.
He should not have been able to have got a gun. If they had screened him.
Roman says shooting ranges should run background checks, saying maybe that would have spared his son Mark another day.
They didn't put the gun to his head, so I can't really blame them. But in all reality, if they would have had something in place and screened him, they would have found that he was a felon and couldn't have a gun.
And we reached out to the Silver Bullet shooting range, and they did not want to comment. Brian.